Oh, wow, kids. You better come see.
Well, see, Santa came. Did Santa come last night? Go look by the tree. See if he left any presents.
Oh, boy, diapers.
Hey, go look by the tree. Yeah, take his faces. Go look by the tree. See if Santa came. Did Santa come, Maria? Did Santa bring presents?
Yeah.
What is it?
Alligator, begin dog, big dog, begin
It's in
dog,
my
begin
bite.
with me.
Oh, did Santa bring you a bite?
Yeah.
What kind of bite?
Alligator,
A
begin
princess
big dog,
bite.
begins with me.
Well, go look at it.
Alligator, begin with A.
A car.
He brought a car for Trey.
Yeah.
Wow.
And look, I got this.
Alligator,
Like a handle.
With a handle for you to push him?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to sit on your bike?
Yep. Gina, my bag, my bag.
Trey, come over. That's what the handle's for. It's a big bike, so when it's warm, my daddy can help you ride it. What's the bell? Who else has a bell? Who else has a bell?
Alligator begins with A.
What do you think?
Alligator begins with A.
It's
Alligator begins with A.
It's a
Alligator
reindeer
begins
bell.
with A. Alligator begins with A. Alligator begins with A.
A princess bell.
Alligator begins with A.